Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the Southern Coastal Highway and we are going to look at this bridge is actually in Bull Bay, and straight ahead is Bull Bay in St. Andrew. We are just on the outskirts of St. Thomas. So this is the Southern Coastal Highway, 4-lane dual carriageway that will take you from Harborview all the way to Port Antonio. Now this road is going to cost $59 billion to build, and the contractor is China Harbor Engineering Company. So this is the route of the actual highway. So we are literally on the highway now. Now it's about 70% complete. It's being built in phases, and this part that we're driving on is the part that will take you from Harborview to the Yallus Bridge. Now the highway was started in 2017 and it's going to finish in 2025, the entire project. It was to finish in 2023, but it was delayed. Now this highway is being financed by the China Exim Bank and the government of Jamaica. And the NWA, National Works Agency, is in charge of this project. And the NWA is now in the Ministry of Economic Growth, not the Ministry of Transport. And the reason why the NWA is in charge of the project is because it's not going to be a toll road. This is just going to be a main road in Jamaica. The Highway 2000 project is a toll road, and so you have different companies set up, not the NWA, different companies set up to manage those roads. Those roads were built with concession agreements, all sorts of things to do with the collecting of the toll. And you have companies like the Toll Authority of Jamaica, NROC, Jamaica North-South Highway, not the NWA that deals with those roads. This one is the NWA because it's not a toll road. This is going to be a free highway like the Northern Coastal Highway. So when finished, this highway will take you from Kingston, or more specifically Harborview, to Port Antonio. And in Port Antonio, you can access the Northern Coastal Highway that will take you from Port Antonio to Negril, passing through Ocho Rios, Falmouth, Trelawney, Montego Bay, all the way back to Negril. So when this road is completed, you'll have a highway taking you. You can drive on highway quality roads from Kingston all the way back to Negril. And that will symbolize Jamaica will have a very nice road network when that is finished. And that entire road from Harborview right back to Negril will be free. It won't be a toll road. Now straight ahead you have a very nice view. I know that's the Caribbean Sea. We're in the parish of St. Thomas now. And the economic benefit to St. Thomas that this road will bring will be enormous. Now currently St. Thomas doesn't have much development. It's more, I hate to use the word, but it's like the forgotten parish. But when this highway is finished, you can get to Yallus, Morant Bay in no time. And it's going to be very good roads. Highway quality roads. So it will bring a lot of development to the parish. have to give the government credit. They're doing an excellent job in the development of these road networks, especially the highways and the main roads in Jamaica. And maybe moving the NWA to the Ministry of Economic Growth. Excellent idea, because these highways cost a lot of money to build and you have a lot of foreign investment, so it's working. Highway 2000 is also being extended from Maypen to Mandeville. That doesn't fall under NWA, that's a different agency, but you have to love the progress that's going on in Jamaica. For Jamaica to continue to grow, you need a good road infrastructure. You need good roads. And highways, these highways are the way to go. I know they're very expensive. This road is going to cost $59 billion. But this is nothing. $59 billion is nothing compared to what it's going to cost to convert the Northern Coastal Highway from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. When that project starts, it's going to be the most expensive capital expenditure project in Jamaica in modern times. So that road is going to cost more than this road, more than the North-South Highway, more than Highway 2000. Okay, how did we get on this side of the road? Alright, let's see if we can continue down. But we need to get on the other side of the road. I'm going to turn around and try and get on the other side of the road. It seems to be much better than this side. So this is the actual highway that we're driving on that's under construction. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.